12 women can complete a project in 36 days. Right, so we can have women, men. 15 men complete the same project in 27 days. So as far as the complete work is concerned, it can either happen like this when women are involved, or like this when men are involved. If 16 women start working, and after 6 days they are replaced by X men. So we do not know how many men, X number of men. Okay, they're replaced by X men who then continue working for 5 days. What is the value of X? So we simply do this. Now you need to keep in mind that 12 into 36 hours when women are involved will do the same amount of work, will result in the same amount of work being done when 15 men work for 27 hours. So as far as our total work is concerned, either of this will do. On the right hand side, what we are going to be seeing is complete work being done. So when we talk about complete work being done, we mean it is complete. So 1. And now we simply solve for X. Alright, so I'm just going to write this one more time before I start cancelling. Okay, so X into 5, I can write this as 5X is equal to 1. And now we have 6 ones are, 6 6 are, 4 4s are, 4 3s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Okay, so we have 2 by 9 plus 5 1s are, 5 3s are, and 3 into 27 is going to give you 81. So you have 2 by 9 plus X by 81 is equal to 1. Now I have 81, I have 9. So to make the sum easy, I will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 9. So I get 18 plus X upon 81 is equal to 1. I'm going to continue on this side. Okay, so 81 over here is division, goes that side, it becomes multiplication. So 81 into 1 gives me 81. So 18 plus X is equal to 81. X is equal to 18 over here is addition, goes that side, it becomes subtraction. So 81 minus 18. And finally we end up with X is equal to 63. So the number of men required, okay, so the number of men required is 63, and therefore your answer is D.